And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over Sphere Finance, the only game in town. But before we get started, make sure to visit the channel, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. So let's go back to the charts here and talk a little bit about Sphere Finance and where it's been and where it's going. I began speaking about this project when it was trading under 1 cent. Since then, you can see here there's nothing but buys. No one is selling, everybody is holding. It's currently pushing towards all-time highs and it's trading at 8.2 cents. It's trying to push towards 8.5 cents. And there's not much to say. You can just come here to see the buys. It's unstoppable. The team now has Sphere Games. I haven't played the game. I did see the paper somewhere in their documents, but I don't see it anywhere. I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can. I know that you can deposit here your Sphere, and there is a timer for the lottery. There's 10 winners, and here is showing you the prize pool. There's $177,000 up for grabs for 10 winners. The price distribution is 89%, charity wallet 1%, and burn 10%. Here is total player deposit, 46.9 million Sphere tickets, yield source, rebase, pool owner, and it shows that information. Now here is something to make note of. Sphere Games has a cascading tax starting at 30% on the first day of your deposit to 0% after 14 days. So if you do want to partake in the lottery, just know that you will be taxed up until 14 days. At that point, you can withdraw your deposit without any fees. Now, when you do deposit to partake in the Sphere Games and these lotteries, your tokens are still getting rebased in there. So it's a win-win. You don't lose. And here you have the same disclaimer there. And from my understanding from what I read previously before they took that down, it was based on a game that was created, I believe it was on Chainlink, and this is where they got the format. What they do is they pull everybody's tokens together. They invest those tokens on apps like Aave, where they earn daily rewards, percentage returns on everyone's tokens, and that's how they come with this prize pool to distribute it. Just know that if you do partake, you're going to have to stake those tokens for 14 days so that they're tax-free. The drawings are every 5 days. I don't see the information anywhere, but I had read it before they upgraded the site. Maybe by the time I'm done recording this video, I'll be able to come back here and see where the timer restarts. As I was editing the video, the timer restarted. It's every 3 days. Every 3 days, there's 10 winners. And we saw earlier, the prize pool goes up to about $180,000. That's massive. It's every 3 days. Another thing that I forgot to mention from when I read the papers was your odds are much higher if you deposit or you have your deposit towards the beginning of the timer. For instance, if you're already in the lottery or you're about to enter the lottery, this is the best time right when the timer refreshes. Your odds get diminished as it gets closer towards the end of the timer if you want to make a new deposit. So it's always best to enter early or to just leave your tokens there to have those better odds. Time is a determining factor. So let's go to the dashboard and talk about Sphere Finance. This has been by far an explosion. The current market cap is $196 million. This superseded my expectations. I had a target of 100 to 150 million between 1 to 2 months. It did it in about 3 weeks. This is massive. It's pushing close to 10 cents. Here are the tax: 13% buy tax, 20% sell tax, 13% transfer tax. And if we scroll down, you have total burn tokens to date. $449,000 have been burned so far. And here are more statistics. Treasury balance, they have $17 million in the treasury. Today's treasury gain in 1 day, these guys are making $1 million. Total wallets, 25,293, and the Dyson index, 1.6298. That's the appreciation of just holding the token since the project began till now, with those awesome APY rewards. The rebase every 30 minutes, 0.04%, 5-day rate of 9.92%, and that annual return is just shy of 100,000%. They continue to do little upgrades on the site. The site looks very smooth and they have a little spotlight moving around in the background. They also have the calculator so that you can project your future returns. Here's the games, the swap, and the documents. And as you can see, I just went back to the deck screener. The past 24 hours, there's $7.5 million worth of Sphere being traded. No one is selling. I'm not making this up. One person sold $100. Look at all these buys. It's green. For every 9 buys, there's 1 sell. So that is Sphere Finance. I just wanted to make a quick update and talk about a little bit about the lottery game system, talk about the technical analysis. This is what I have to say. It only goes up. That's the technical analysis. These are dips here. Buy the dip. We are seeing a slight market sell-off, and it looks like everybody's running to Sphere for safety. I see the money coming in here day in, day out. We're seeing more and more volume coming in here as more and more people are finding out about this project. Now, if you do want to get the latest information, make sure to join their Discord and their Telegram. They're very active. They have a huge community. So that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Hit the notification bell to get notified for the latest DeFi projects. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.